The Le Voyageur Eterna 7.8 GLF is a luxury motorhome designed to combine comfort and elegance on the road. Imagine waking up to morning light through wide panoramic windows, cruising smoothly with the gentle sound of the engine, and ending your day in a cozy king-size bed. It features a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, making meal preparation easy, and a spacious lounge where you can relax in style. With advanced climate control, the interior always feels just right, no matter the weather. This motorhome ensures every mile of travel feels as enjoyable as the destination, priced at about $420,000. Zeekr Power is a company that manufactures electric cars. Their main model, the O1, offers a range of 620 kilometers and can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Besides making electric cars, the company has also developed Zeekr Charge, a large network of charging stations with over 650,000 already available in Europe. To save drivers time, Zeekr cars can autonomously locate available parking spaces and connect to robotic chargers. The O1 model can charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Last year, the total number of The YEU S1 Smart Lock is a smart and convenient door lock with 8 different ways to unlock it. You can use your phone, fingerprint, or a password, making it very flexible. It connects to Wi-Fi, so you can control it from anywhere and let guests in even if you are not at home. The lock is waterproof, so it works well outdoors. The U-Boat Works Nemo is a small, advanced submersible designed for private underwater exploration. Weighing only 2,500 kilograms and standing 155 centimeters tall, it is the lightest manned sub in its class. Nemo can dive up to 100 meters, 330 feet, and carry a pilot plus 1 passenger. Its compact size is 2.8 meter long, 2.31 meters wide, and 1.5 meters high, yet it offers impressive performance. It runs for up to 8 hours, reaching speeds of 3 knots underwater. Features include intuitive controls, easy launch and recovery, DNV certification, air conditioning. The Neocene Overboat 100F is a modern single-seat electric watercraft designed for fun, speed, and eco-friendly rides. This hydrofoil catamaran is built with strong fiberglass hulls and measures 3.34 meters long. It runs on a quiet 4.5 kilowatt rear motor powered by a 4.8 kilowatt-hour battery, giving about 2 hours of cruising. The boat can reach speeds up to 16 knots and smoothly takes off at just 8 knots. Its smart control system adjusts the hydrofoils 100 times per second, keeping the ride stable even on rough waters. The SEMA Show, one of the biggest car events in the world, was the perfect place for Kia to show off its new PV5 Weekender concept. This vehicle is part of Kia's purpose-built vehicle, PBV lineup, which focuses on creating flexible and modular electric cars. The PV5 is unique and highly adaptable, with versions for passengers, cargo, or camping. Despite being only 4.7 meters long, the compact PV5 Weekender makes great use of its space. It includes a dining area for 2, a flexible interior where you can lie down and rest, and a built-in roof tent for comfortable camping. This smart design shows Kia's commitment to making vehicles that suit different lifestyles. Although many are excited about the PV5 Weekender, it's not yet clear if Kia will start producing it. Still, this concept shows how Kia is pushing the limits of electric car innovation. Carrying fishing rods inside your car can be dangerous. They may cause injuries or damage your seats. A better solution is to transport them on your car's roof. MagnaRack provides excellent holders designed for this purpose. These holders can securely hold up to 5 fishing rods using durable magnets or clamps, even at speeds of up to 137 kilometers per hour. The cost of each holder is $399. Einride is revolutionizing freight transport with its autonomous electric trucks, prioritizing sustainability. By eliminating the need for human drivers, Einride's vehicles help reduce carbon emissions in the logistics industry. These trucks are powered by electric motors and equipped with autonomous technology, allowing them to navigate roads safely without human intervention. Along with autonomous driving, Einride uses AI and data analytics to optimize routes, boost fuel efficiency, and cut operational costs. This results in faster, more cost-effective deliveries and a significantly smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional diesel trucks. By focusing on the future of green transportation, Einride is reshaping the logistics sector, making freight transport safer, more sustainable, and economically viable in the long term. Some people like camping with simple gear like a tent, sleeping bag, and hammock. But for those who want more comfort, the Raptor XC camper van is a great choice. This van expands from 4.8 meters to 7 meters once parked, providing enough room for 4 people. Inside, it offers all the essentials: a cozy bedroom, a functional kitchen, a dining area, and even a bathroom. It also comes equipped with 160-watt solar panels, furniture, and appliances. Priced at $43,900, it's a fantastic option for a more luxurious camping experience. The MZKT 7930 is a powerful vehicle built to handle tough terrain with ease. In the video, it takes on steep sandy slopes, 35-centimeter obstacles, muddy paths, and even crosses trenches 2 meters wide without any issues. It also navigates through 1.8-meter deep water smoothly. A key feature of this vehicle is its suspension, which can move up to 26 centimeters, making it perfect for rough conditions. It also has an impressive range of 1,000 kilometers on a single charge and can reach speeds of 70 kilometers per hour. The video highlights its amazing performance, showing its strength and reliability in action. The Crewa Modus is more than just a tent. It's a full camping system designed for comfort and flexibility. It works as a tent, sleeping bag, air mattress, bug screen, rain cover, picnic blanket, and even a hammock. The rain cover can be tied between trees, and several Modus units can connect to make a bigger shelter. The air mattress inflates by itself, and the sleeping bag uses special graphene-infused fabric to keep you warm. Whether you want to relax under the stars or sleep comfortably, the Crewa Modus is perfect for campers who want ease and usefulness. In 2019, it retailed fully priced. The Cybertruck Cybertent is an easy-to-use camping tent made for outdoor comfort. It has a strong but lightweight inflatable frame that you can set up in just a few minutes with a hand pump. No poles needed. The inside is made from tough nylon with a cool gray pattern that protects you from wind and rain. Mesh windows let air flow through to keep it fresh. You can lie on a soft mattress and look at the stars. It also lets you charge your devices using the truck's outlet. The whole tent packs neatly above the truck bed without taking up space.